Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily split large PDFs with multiple pages using PDF.co and Make. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. For more information and additional resources, make sure to visit PDF.co. In this demo, we will be working with a sample large PDF document that contains multiple pages and split these pages into smaller PDF files using PDF.co. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. Alternatively, you may choose to use another cloud storage services to access your source file. Then select the Download a File module to initiate the download process from Google Drive. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. First, connect your Google Drive account to Make to authorize access. Next, let's choose the Select from the List option to see available files in Google Drive. Then select My Drive as the drive to be used. Finally, specify the folder and file name where the source file is located. Once you have set up the configuration, run the scenario to initiate the download of the file from Google Drive. The scenario ran successfully and downloaded the file from Google Drive. We can now add another module to split the large PDF document into smaller PDF files. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app. And choose the Make an API Call module. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding your API key. You can obtain your API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Next, input the PDF.co PDF split endpoint to split a large PDF document into smaller PDF files. For the input type field, select Upload Files and inject as URL param to automatically input the file from Google Drive. Then specify a name for the output PDF files. Under the body parameter, for item 1, type in pages for the key. And enter asterisk for the value to include all pages in the split. For item 2, type inline for the key. And set it to true for the value to return the output inside the response. For item 3, type async for the key. And set it to false for the value. After setting up the configuration, run the scenario to split multiple pages into a smaller PDF files. The large PDF document has been successfully split into smaller PDF files. Please copy the resulting URLs to view the output or save it in your preferred cloud storage. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.